Hello everyone, it's SparklingChar. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome all my old friends. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and it's just been life, I tell you. And I just really want to take the time out to say, I'm praying for all the families over in the wake of the hurricanes, all what's done happened, all what's need, just praying for, just praying. That's all I could say. I don't know, you be thinking your life is going through ups and downs, and then you see the disaster happening there, and you be like, really? You worry about what's happening in your world? Okay, get over it, Shar. So anyway, I've been wanting to craft, and I've been doing some collective hauls. They say a little retail therapy helps, so that's what I've been doing. I've had stuff for a couple of months, but I recently did another haul from Etsy shop, and let me just start in because I don't want the video to be too long. And I really missed you guys, I really have. But let me show you. I have a subscription with Reasonable Ribbons, and I recently had to cancel it, but I will sign back up again. But I just wanted to show you the ones that I have received because I haven't been crafting. I think the last thing I showed, trying to get back in the base of it, was the dangles. But these are the ribbons. I'm sorry if you're getting glare, but these are the ribbons I had for June, which was some really pretty ribbons. I'll show it from back here. I hope it's not giving too much glare. So those are from June. The ones for July, oh, so pretty. All the soft pinks and soft blues. I really love this one with the flower print, so pretty. And then, of course, the autumn collection with the leaves and the pumpkins and all your bright oranges, your greens, and your browns. It's so pretty. So if you want to try Reasonable Ribbon subscription, it's really nice. You get a lot of ribbons, a lot of yardage, and it's only $9.95 or $10 a month. But yeah, so I was in it for almost a year, so I'll probably go back to it. And then another subscription I'm in, and I know I got four more stamps somewhere, but I can't find them. Sorry if you get any more glare, but this is Adorn It, of course. These are the ones say pumpkin bar, and I think our Jetta on Instagram actually made one of the recipes, but these are so cute. The ones say mom apple pie, and I think I have two more, but guys, I can't find them. So yeah, so this is from Adorn It, another subscription um, club I'm in. And then this I got off of eBay. I want to say this was before Easter, but I didn't show them. And I found out about these from Lacey46, which is a Lise. Wonderful channel, do amazing journaling. Oh my God, amazing cards and everything. Such a sweetheart. And she showed this, and I went over and found these. That was back when Easter was, though, but I never did get a chance to show them. Oh, these are their book numbers. So book one, uh, you get 500 plus 40 new border pages, and it has so much in here, guys. And you can either cut these out and do what you need to do with them, or if you have a favorite, as I do sometimes, I copy and I'll copy the original and just keep it as a favorite. And I think what's going to be so good for me is for Christmas time, because Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. So I say the favorite because it brings me so much joy. But yeah, so that's one, and this is book one. I like what it says on the back warning. This book will make you more creative. I need that, right? I really do. Book two is got like these little houses and stuff. Cute little girl on here, and it's full of goodies. Hope I'm not turning too fast, but again, I didn't want this video to be too long because I got quite a bit to show you. Yep, and it's got the introduction and everything in it. And then this is the back of that one. Book three. I don't think they have like different names on them. It's still from Heartwarming Expressions, but yeah. And it's just got a lot of goodies in them. A lot of goodies in them that you can use for scrapbooking and everything. Use for your journaling and everything like that. Yeah, really nice. And then on the back of here is some things. Say my dog is my best friend. It say forget love, let's fall in chocolate. That is so cute. And then the last one is book 4. This is cute. A little angel. And again, this say please hop over to. It's like a invitation thing, camporama. Just a lot of little goody things that will go with anything that's going on. You know, whatever event you got going on. These are some picture frames. This is really nice. Look at this one here. Family Matters. You can cut these out and then put your family pictures in here. I might do this one. This one is cute. Oh man, that is really nice. Yeah, so the Christmas one. No sneaking or peeking to Christmas. Snowman's prayer, please freeze. Oh, that is cute. Okay, so yeah, so that was that. These 4 books from eBay. So yeah, just adding to my stash. And then my last haul was, you know, guys, I'll be watching guys on YouTube, and Amber had a community post. Said she had a sale in her Etsy shop, so I jumped over there and I bought one of her grab bags or whatever. And she filled it to the rim. I tell you, truly worth it. This here is from Crafted Squares, one of the craft bottles. And believe it or not, guys, all Dollar Trees don't have the same thing. So most of the stuff I don't even have. Majority of it I don't. So yes, I was glad to get this because I can either make like a Christmas globe or something with that. And then this is 60 count Christmas erasers, which can be used for anything. It's Santa Claus in here. It's a little red car. It's a bell, bows. So yeah, this will come in handy. And you got the 9 pieces of the jingle bells, the decorative bells. Some green ribbon. This is 18 feet. Really nice. Then she has 4 pencils in here. Holiday pencils with the nutcracker on it, 1 green, 1 with the snowman, and 1 with the polar bear, which is cute. I already know what I'm going to do with these, so I don't have any pencils either. And then she sent, what came with that package is these straws, the buffalo check. Really like this. These are really cute. So these will come in handy. Also, the glass bottle of Christmas trees. I think this one comes from Target maybe, but I have the snowflakes, I have the candy canes, but I did not have the Christmas trees. So I was glad to see that. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's some stickabilities. This is all coming with her grab bag. And this is what's in this pack. These are ephemera pieces. It's 8 design and it's 3 of each. Oh, that's cute. I like that one too. That hat is cute. So yeah. So that. Now this is Tim Holtz Ideology. It has 4 icicles in there. I don't know what to do with this. Because they're like, let me see, can I get them out? I don't know if y'all got an idea with these icicles, because I really don't know. Oh, okay, I thought they were like 3D. They're not 3D. This is perfect. They'll work. They'll go perfect. They can go on a card or any type of project. Okay, so this is okay. This is good. Yeah. Okay, so never mind about that. I figured that out. 4 count wood tags. Excuse me. One say merry and bright, ho ho ho, let it snow, and I think the last one says believe. I can't see from the tag, but yeah. And then you got a big bag of nativity stickers, and it's got some stars in there. As you can see, sheep, camel, baby Jesus. Got 3 wise men, Mary, Joseph, and Peter. This is really nice, and this, I really like this. Okay, we can see what we can do with that. Of course, the bling, green. I love that. And then these cute little stickers for Christmas. Campers. My favorite, am I afraid? I'm just talking. My favorite is the LOL girls. Of course, you guys know I will definitely be using that. We got some stickability again with some holly and some poinsettias. It's 24 in here. It's 40 of these. I got a 7x5 60 sheet wide rule. Can alter this notebook here. Some pine stems, which is good for all sorts of things. You can really use these to make wreaths, decorate frames, everything. That's nice. This one is the half composition book. Now, I swear, I could never find these when I go to the store. And I know everybody said it was at Walmart, but when I went, and I really don't like to go to Walmart too much, but they didn't have any. So this reminded me, I think it was back in 2017, no, 2016, 2017, I actually took a composition book to my local Office Depot and had them to cut it in half. And I do have a video on that where I made some recipe books, and they turned out so cute. So we'll see what I want to do with these. That's nice. Then she put a pair of scissors in there. These are holiday scissors, which I do not have. Here is some rub-on transfer stickers. Sorry if you're getting glare. Of course, you know how to do these. You cut them out, stick them, peel them, and use, you know, like a stick or something to scratch it, and then it will come on the surface. I have something I think I want to do with those. Then there's a pack of self-sealing padded envelopes. There's 3 in here. This is nice. Really nice if you want to send a gift, or these can be turned into a cover for a journal. Lots of ideas with that. We have some doilies in the Christmas green, also in the poinsettia style. Good for journaling, which I'm really getting into now. And then she put in a paper pad. This is Create Your Holiday. 12 sheets. It's 3 of each. And guys, they're embossed. So I don't know if you can kind of see. Can you see the embossing on them? This is really nice. Oh, I love this pink. Yeah, this is really nice. I don't know if you can really see the snowflake emboss. Can you see it? Yeah, so this is nice. There's 12 sheets in here again. And then here's a paper pad from DCWV called Christmas Carol. There's 24 sheets in here. And they are double-sided. And half with silver foil. Oh, okay. So these are cute. I'll do a quick flip through. If you can see, if I can hold it good. Nice. Oh, that's cute. Yep. Oh, nice. That's the foil one. I like the background. Oh, I like this one with everything on here. That's nice. The trees. Got a little foil on them. Hope I'm not blinding you guys. I hope you can see both sides too. That's Santa. Some more foil poinsettias. It's got a little sparkle in it with the ornaments. And then we have the candy canes. So yeah, this is nice. That's all of it if you can see them. And then I think this is the last thing I got to show. And then you got a 12 by 12 20 designs, 3 of each, 60 sheets, poppies and pine. So we all know this Paper Studio. So this is from, you know, Hobby Lobby. Let me see, can I open this and flip through it? Try to flip through it. So yeah, so this retail therapy really helped me out a little bit. With work too, oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. Try to flip through. It's not double-sided, guys, so, oh, that's pretty. The black and white, and always use in any project. Very pretty paper. I like the plaid. Oh, that's pretty. Sorry if it's not, we can kind of read it. Let me kind of turn it a little bit. Again, black and white, go with anything. These can be used. I like the presents. Some more flowers, floral or poppy, whatever. Some more plaid. I like that. Merry, 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 Merry. Here's another one. Say Merry Christmas. Some more floral. Oh, I love the bells and the jingle bells. This one say ho ho ho. Pretty red. Some more red and white and green. Some more stripes. And then it's the last. That's pretty. Okay, so yeah, so this is from Lyric Lover 810 Etsy shop. Thank you, Amber. Ooh, this is a lot. I am so happy, very pleased with what you put in this grab bag. And hopefully I can come back pretty soon and show you guys at least something that I made with some of my goodies that I got on this collective haul. And my subscription and stuff like that. So, yeah, so thank you guys for stopping by. And remember to always be kind and to always sparkle. Bye for now.